Cassidy, look at this stuff.
No, she's shaking her leg. She's all tickled. She's laying in it. She looking up at Lee like, Mom.
Other side, Buff.
Wrong direction. She's moving closer. Pick that brush back up, Dad.
Brushed you, and you got hair all over you again.
Yeah, it's all up on her tail.
Stop walking in it.
Well, you keep moving away from her.
I get dog hair all over me.
Yeah, your shirt needs to get changed. Pants probably too. The whole thing's gonna have to get vacuumed.
Do you have a real brush that's not plastic? Maybe that's the problem. Is that brush was needed?
No, that's the only brush we own because it was the only brush that did any good.
It's not doing any good right now because
It's staticky in the house. It's doing good. Look at your pile. This is how we brush the dog, brush the dog, brush the dog. This is how we brush the dog. I don't know what else to say.
she just had a bath and she's.
Next, it's going to be this is how we clean the house, clean the house, clean the house. Oh, it's snowing. What is that, her leg?
Yeah.
Damn. She turned other leg.
Gosh.
I think it's still on the leg closer to me. Her right leg, I think, is still covered. The back end of it.
You're walking in the pile. It's going to connect to you.
She's telling you, don't stop. This leg, back of it. Like tail end of it. Yup.
I give up. You got dog hair everywhere. You got it all over me.
She's all excited now.
Stop walking in it.
I done good, man. We got it everywhere. Careful, because she's slipping. Now you just got it going everywhere, dude. She's like, this is great. All right, Buff, how do you feel? How How do you feel, huh? You look all spiffy.